Welcome to Insta Legal. Today we are going to discuss a very important decision which was rendered by the Punjab and Haryana High Court Division Bench in the month of March this year, where the Supreme Court was approached by the state of Haryana in appeal. The appeal was dismissed by the Honorable Supreme Court, thereby upholding the decision of the Division Bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. The question which related to the particular decision is, can marriage be registered through video conferencing? The main question in the present case was with regard to the Special Marriage Act, whether such a marriage could be registered by securing presence of the parties through video conferencing. The Supreme Court dismissed the SLP against the High Court decision in the case of Ami Ranjan and others versus State of Haryana and others. The main question that was posed before the High Court was whether marriage under the Special Marriage Act 1954 be registered through video conferencing, and would that amount to sufficient compliance of the procedure provided under the Act. Secondly, whether the decision of the learned single judge dismissing the petition holding that there is no provision for registration of marriage under the Act without parties appearing in person before the marriage officer is liable to be set aside or not. The High Court was approached in an LPA against the single judge order. Let us first see what were the facts of the case. Now the appellants here are the husband and wife. They were married on 17th December 2019. The husband is working in United Kingdom, and wife, being a USA citizen, is employed as a medical professional with Virginia University School of Medicine. After marriage, both the parties went back to their respective countries after filing application for registration of marriage, with application to allow the wife to appear through video conferencing. Now what happened was, the first date appeared during the time of the corona, and the marriage officer had allowed the parties to appear through video conferencing. Now second motion was filed by the husband, again with the same request for appearance of wife through video conferencing. However, this is the request which was rejected by the marriage officer, and the parties approached the High Court against the decision of the marriage officer. The single judge, when was approached with the permission to make the wife appear through the video conferencing, had dismissed the petition, and it was held categorically by the single judge that the registration process required parties to be present in person along with two witnesses, and a new procedure for appearance of parties and for maintenance of public record, that is the marriage certificate book, cannot be followed. Though for intermediary process, the video conferencing procedure could be followed as done in the first motion hearing in the facts of the present case. However, for registration, physical presence to sign on the marriage certificate book is mandatory, and it thus observed that signing the certificate book cannot be interpreted to mean pasting of authenticated sign of a party on that book. Thus, integrity and authenticity of marriage certificate book cannot be altered. By way of this decision, the single judge dismissed the petition. Against the dismissal of this petition, the parties went in an appeal before the division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court. The division bench thereafter referred to various decisions of other high courts and observed that the presence of parties could be secured through video conference in specific cases where such procedure requires because of peculiar facts of the case. Registration of marriage of spouses separated by distance has to be addressed keeping in view the changing times, and it is open to evolve a suitable mechanism by incorporating video conferencing, authentication of identities by embassies, and attestation of signatures in a similar manner. Thus, the High Court of the Division Bench of the High Court held that since the husband is seeking presence through video conferencing for the marriage to be registered, the wife's presence can be secured through video conferencing, while husband and three witnesses can remain present in the marriage officer. Such certificate would not be in violation of marriage certificate book under the Act, which is basically considered as a public record. Now, the Supreme Court, while upholding this decision, orally observed that with the changing times, such approach taken by the division bench of the High Court cannot be faulted. Thus, they orally observed that the law has to march along with the technology. Thank you very much.